You can already see from the back that I'm at a quite interesting booth with a couple of new stuff. And this is the first case, well, not the first case that I noticed on the booth, but they have the 12th generation or 12th iteration of their signature series, which is right at the beginning of the booth, which I will also get to that right after this. This is InWin's booth at Computex 2026. So let's dive in and check out what they have from workstations, powerhouses, and of course, lifestyle event, as they usually do. So let's check it out.
Right at the front of the booth is the new Aeon signature chassis, InWin's 12th signature design, and it really feels more like a sculptured object than a traditional PC case. The design uses 1.5mm mirrors stainless steel combined with thick tempered glass panels, and there's a very deliberate focus on the precision and symmetry. What stands out even more is the inclusion of the RFID access system, which adds a layer of interaction that feels closer to premium industrial design or even architectural hardware rather than typical PC enclosure. It's kind of a product that doesn't try to hide what it is, it's meant to be seen. So alongside Aeon, InWin is also expanding the concept into new form factors with the Neo ATX and Air ITX chassis. These carry the same design language but scale it into a more accessible builds, giving enthusiasts and system builders a way to bring that signature aesthetics into different system sizes. Moving deeper into the boot, the focus shifts completely with the lifestyle zone. And this is where InWin clearly steps away from traditional PC expectations. Here, the L50 Breeze and L51 Mist chassis introduce a much softer design direction instead of a purely technical styling. You get elements like reeded glass, ambient lighting, and natural textures. The L50 even integrates what InWin calls an ambient wellness style lighting system, including modes like the Pomodoro timer and relaxation focused lighting presets. It's less about performance aesthetics and more about how the PC can exist inside the living space without feeling intrusive. The L51 Mist continues that idea, but introduces wood textures combined with glass panels, pushing even more into a furniture-like direction where the system blends into the room rather than standing out as hardware. Alongside the cases, there's also a HZ1 accessory lineup, which expands this idea further into a desk environment, monitor stands, headphone stands, and even aromatic glass mouthpads, showing that InWin is thinking beyond just the PC itself and more about the surrounding workspace. And then there's something completely unexpected, the GX285 case, which integrates a built-in 10.1-inch LCD display and control interface that can even run interactive pixel-style games. It turns the case into something that feels more like an interactive device rather than just a housing for components. From there, the energy shifts into the gaming zone, which is much more performance-driven and visually intense. Here, InWin is collaborating with NVIDIA to showcase a full SFF gaming setup built around modern RTX platforms. The systems themselves are built using the new Loom Micro ATX chassis and the W20 panoramic glass chassis, both designed around cleaner layouts and improved visibility of internal components. What's interesting here is how much emphasis is placed on cable management and motherboard design. With backconnect micro ATX platform being used, the builds look extremely clean from the outside, almost like the hardware disappears into the structure of the case itself. This zone feels like InWin's answer to where gaming hardware is heading, more compact but also more technically refined underneath. If the gaming zone is about visual performance, the workstation and performance zone is about scale. So this part of the booth is split into two directions. The first focuses on high expandability workstation platforms, including systems like Covalent, WS90 and the BLG. These are designed for AI workloads, content creation, and heavy computational environments where stability and expandability matter more than aesthetics. One of the standout elements is the InWin's new 3000 watts class power supply, clearly aimed at the next generation AI and multi-GPU systems. It supports PCIe 5.1 and 12E2TEM6 standards and is built for environments where power delivery becomes a core part of system design rather than just supporting components. The second part of this zone shifts into edge computing and storage, featuring the MSO7 Micro Tower Workstation and the SK Storage series, showing that InWin is also targeting smaller scale professional deployments where reliability and compact footprint matter just as much as the raw performance. Now, at the center of the booth, everything converges into what InWin calls the AI server zone. Here, the focus moves away from the consumer hardware entirely and into a full infrastructure level systems, which include the RG658 Pro 6.5U high density AI GPU server. This section highlights liquid cooling integrations, thermal architecture design, and system level engineering for AI computing environments. Instead of individual components, what's on display here feels closer to full deployment systems, the kind used in data centers or large-scale AI clusters. InWin also uses this area to demonstrate how its design language scales upward, showing how chassis design, rack integration, and cooling solutions all come together in high-density computing environment. Now, walking out of the InWin booth, what stands out the most is how broad the company's interpretation of PC hardware has become. On one side, you have a highly artistic design like the Eon signature chassis, which feels almost like industrial sculpture, or what I heard like the inspiration comes from Interstellar. Then you move to lifestyle focused systems like the L50 Breeze and L51 Mist, which treat PCs more like furniture and ambient objects. From there, it shifts into a gaming focused panoramic build like the Loom and W20, then into serious workstation platforms like Covalent 3000 watts power supply, and finally into a full AI server infrastructure with liquid cooling integration. It's not just a booth showing products, it feels more like a different interpretation of where computing can exist in everyday life, from desk to the data center. And that's what makes InWin's Computex presence interesting this year. It's not focused on one direction, it's exploring all of them at the same time.